Today, everyone want to speak. Everyone want attention. Everyone want to be heard. But very few people know how to create impact. And that is the difference between an ordinary speaker and a true leader. Most people speak only for prove themselves. Real leaders speak to leave a mark. Welcome to my channel. The power of communication is not hidden in loud voice, expensive vocabulary, or dramatic expressions. Real power lies in clarity, timing, emotional control, and the weight behind every word. A person may speak for hours and still say nothing meaningful, while another person may speak only for few sentences and completely change the atmosphere of a room. In today's world, people are constantly talking. Social media, meetings, group chats, interviews, debates, noise exists everywhere. Everyone wants to express opinion instantly, but the rarest skill that is not speaking more. This is speaking with depth. This is why silence has become powerful. Many people think leadership means dominating conversation, but true leaders first learn how to observe. They listen carefully. They understand emotions, reactions, and energy before speaking. Their silence is not weakness, it is controlled. Think about a person entering a room quietly. They are not trying to impress anyone. They are not interrupting conversations. Yet people naturally notice them. Why? Because calmness creates curiosity. Confidence does not always scream. Sometimes confidence sits silently and watches. In many offices, the most respected person is not the loudest employee. Often it is the manager who speaks less but whose words carry value. Every sentence feels intentional. Every pause feels meaningful. People listen carefully because they know unnecessary words will never come from that person. Modern society has confused communication with non stop talking. But communication is not about quantity, it is about influence. A person who reacts to everything slowly, loosely emotional authority. Every argument does not deserve your energy. Every criticism does not require a response. Sometimes the strongest reaction is composure. This is why emotionally intelligent people never rush to explain themselves. They do not beg for validation. They understand that constantly proving yourself reduces the value of your words. Look around carefully. The people who over explain often appear insecure. They keep talking because they fear being misunderstood. But people with real confidence remain calm. Their body language, eye contact, and tone already communicate strength before they even speak. Does not mean becoming rude or cold. It means becoming intentional. Before speaking, ask yourself, is this necessary? Will these words improve the situation? Am I speaking to create value or simply to gain attention? That small pause can completely transform your communication. Another powerful truth is this: people do not follow perfect English, they follow certainty. Many young people today believe their communication problems exist because their English is weak. But communication is much deeper than grammar. A person speaking simple words with honesty and confidence create more impact that someone using sophisticated vocabulary without clarity. Imagine two people in a meeting. The first person uses polished language but speak without purpose. The second person speak in simple sentences but the conviction, honesty, and calmness. Most people will naturally truly the second person more because human beings connect with emotional truth, not performance. In today's digital world, this is difference is becoming even more visible. Social media has created thousands of creators, influencers, and speakers. Some people constantly try to look smart, funny, or superior. But the people who truly stand out are those who speak with authenticity. Their words feel real. Their voice carries emotional weight. This is what makes communication unforgettable. There is also another hidden problem. Many people struggle with the fear of expressing difficult truth. People stay silent in relationships, silent in meetings, silent in front of family, silent about dreams, silent about pain, not because they have nothing to say, but because they are afraid of judgment. Fear of slowly destroys communication. A person who cannot express truth eventually loses confidence in their own voice. That is why leadership begins the moment you start speaking honestly despite fear. Sometimes one honest sentence can change an entire life. I don't want this life anymore. This is hurting me. I believe I can do more. I want to follow my dream. Simple words, but life changing courage. True leaders are not fearless people. They simply refuse to let fear control their voice. Another important lesson is learning to stop forcing people to listen. Many people keep repeating themselves again and again just to feel validated. They explain too much, chase approval, and desperately try to understand. But respect cannot be begged for. It must be earned through presence, clarity, and emotional stability. A mature communicator speaks clearly once and then remains calm. That silence after speaking creates power. It shows confidence. It shows emotional control. It shows that your self worth does not depend on immediate approval. And finally, one of the greatest communication skill is owning your space. Many people enter important room already feeling inferior. Interviews, presentations, meetings, conversations with successful people. They immediately begin doubting themselves. My English is weak. My background is small. I am not good enough. But the moment your voice carries insecurity, people subconsciously feel it too. A confident communicator does not need to dominate the room. They simply believe they deserve to be there. That belief changes posture, tone, eye contact, energy, presence, and slowly people begin listening differently. At the end of the day, communication is not just about speaking, it is about emotional energy. Your words only become powerful when they come from clarity, honesty, self respect, and calm confidence. So speak less, but speak with meaning. Pause more, but observe deeply. Stop chasing attention and start building presence. Because people may forget loud voices, but they never forget words that made them feel something deeply.